Hello everyone, I am Ishita Singh from Mumbai, Maharashtra. I am currently pursuing my BTech degree in Electronics and Communication from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Chennai. I have secured a cumulative GPA of 9.28 till my 5th semester. I have completed my class 12 from DPS RK Puram, New Delhi and my class 10th from APJ School, Nehru Navi, Mumbai. I am a person who likes to communicate with new people around. I keep a very positive attitude towards life and I am a team player with being a team leader whenever required. My hobbies are dancing and traveling. I have been part of Aarush since my first year. My journey from a volunteer, then a committee member to a committee head has taught me a lot of new things. It has taught me to manage my time properly. It has taught me from being a team player to being a team leader. I have also learned to handle difficult situations with calmness and also elevated my communication skills. And I believe there cannot be any better opportunity than being an organizer where I can use all these skills and contribute to an amazing Aarush 21. Having experienced Aarush in both online and offline mode, I believe there are subtle distinctions between the two. First one being on the basis of the groundwork that we had. In the offline mode, all the work was done by running from one place to another, which required physical energy. Whereas in the online mode, the only energy required was by our internet connections so that we could run from one link to another without any obstruction. Secondly, on the basis of the interaction with the guest that we had. In the offline mode, we could physically meet and greet with our guest. Whereas in the online mode, the physical meet and greets were changed into virtual meet and greets. Finally, on the basis of the pre-Aarush work that we did. In the offline mode, we were assigned classes where we used to meet every day and do the work. Whereas in the online mode, those classrooms were changed into phone calls, video calls and text messages. But the only thing that did not change here was the teamwork and the hard work that we did. Aarush, since its first edition in 2007, has grown immensely. And with this growing, I believe Aarush holds a very bright future for itself. And in no time, Aarush just won't be called the National Level Techno Management Fest, but would become an International Level Techno Management Fest. My short-term goal is to get a satisfactory placement in a non-tech company through the campus placement. And my long-term goal is to complete my MBA and then get placed in a company in the entertainment industry. Aarush, through its various interview processes, has taught me to face all the interviews that would come through the way. It has taught me the quality of patience and handling difficult situations with calmness. This would help me to get through all the failures that would come my way and would finally help me to complete the long journey. It has taught me team management and leadership that would help me to take up all the responsibilities that would come my way. And lastly, it has also elevated my communication skills, which would comfortably help me to work with people. Thank you.